Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make plain scones at home. Let's get started. I use plain flour. Add a little salt, baking powder, sugar. Sift them together. Transfer into the food chopper. Add softened salty butter. Turn off the machine when you have the fine crumbs. Beat 1 egg. Add some milk. Gradually add it to the crumbs. Mix to soft dough with a fork. Transfer onto the flour table. Knead quickly until the surface is smooth. Roll out to get 3 cm thickness. Cut into 7 rounds with 6.5 cm biscuit cutter. Preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. Brush the top with some milk, then let them chill in the fridge for 20 minutes. I will bake them for 15 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the scones. Split your scone in half. Serve with jam and clotted cream. This is the price list to make 7 scones, so each scone cost me 40 cents. I'm going to enjoy my scones with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.